Get ready for the dictation in 3, 2, 1, start. This court, by a detailed and comprehensive order passed on 14/3/2014, indicated specific areas viz. Sanitation, food, healthcare, recreational activities, educational activities, vocational activities, infrastructure and welfare for improving the conditions of jails in the state of Rajasthan. Stop. In order to comprehend the magnitude of the problem and ascertain the situation prevalent in the jails, this court in the first instance directed district and sessions judge as well as chief metropolitan judicial magistrates posted at divisional headquarters of the state Kota and Bharatpur, where the central jails are located, to make sudden inspection on any day within next 6 weeks and privately interview as many prisoners as they may consider necessary and submit their report to this court. Stop. Reports of inspection carried out in all 7 central jails indicate pathetic and subhuman conditions in jail which the prisoners are made to stay, especially in regard to sanitation, quality of food, infrastructure, vocational and recreational activities. Stop. When the matter was listed before the court on 10/12/2014, copies of reports of inspection of various central jails carried out by district and sessions judge were ordered to be provided to learned additional advocate general with direction to file affidavit of additional chief secretary home government of Rajasthan on all such aspects. Stop para. Various compliance reports supported by the affidavits have been filed even thereafter. Stop. Additional Chief Secretary Home Department State of Rajasthan in his detailed affidavit filed a response to the order dated 28/1/2015 produced on record several documents showing that steps taken by the state to improve the conditions of the jail in the state of Rajasthan. Stop. Another affidavit was filed by him on 12/3/2015. Stop. Thereafter, yet another affidavit was filed by the additional Chief Secretary Home Department State of Rajasthan on 21/4/2015 detailing out further steps taken by the state to improve the conditions of the jails in the state of Rajasthan. Stop. Affidavit was also filed by Executive Engineer, Directorate, Local Bodies, Rajasthan, Jaipur on 7/7/2015, followed by his another affidavit filed on 20/11/2015 regarding cleanliness of the jails. Stop. Deputy Superintendent, Jail Headquarter, Jaipur, has also filed one more affidavit on 21/11/2015, placing on record subsequent developments. Stop para. Additional Chief Secretary, Home Department, State of Rajasthan, in his affidavit dated 28/1/2015, has placed on record detailed factual report showing the steps taken by the state in the light of the various orders of this court, according to which work order has been issued for construction of 747 new toilets and 689 bathrooms in different central jails and other jails of the state. Stop. Budget of rupees 36 lakh has been provided for regular cleanliness of the toilets and bathrooms and other sanitation works of the jail. Stop. Contracts have been awarded for regular cleanliness of the toilets and bathrooms at Central Jail, Jaipur and Ajmer. Stop. It was given out that garbage boxes have been placed in all 7 central jails of the state, both within and outside the jail, and regular lifting of the garbage has been ensured. Stop. Instructions have been issued for providing regular Medicare facility to the jail inmates, and medical and health department has been requested to dispute doctors and paramedical staff for that purpose, especially for the diseases relating to psychiatric, tuberculosis, eyes, dental and skin, etc. of the prisoners. Stop. Budget has been provided to jails and sub-jails for procuring magazines, books and library, and also for sports activities. Stop. Centers of Indira Gandhi National Open University has been established in central jails at Bharatpur, Kota and Women Jail, Jaipur, and steps are being taken to establish such centers at Bikaner and Alwar. Stop. Vocational activities are being diversified. Stop. Most significantly, it was informed that to take care of the problem of overcrowding in prisons, new buildings are proposed to be constructed in jails at Bikaner for under trial prisoners and at and Kota for convicted prisoners. Stop. Besides, wherever there is availability of space, the prisoners are being relocated to sub jails. Stop. Video conferencing facilities are said to be available at central jails at Jaipur and Jodhpur, but such facility is out of order at Jodhpur, which would be soon restored. Stop. Thank you.